Locating the fasteners.
The door trim panel is secured to the door at 3 points. The first screw is located underneath the armrest cover. Starting from the bottom, carefully pry off the cover and remove it. The screw is located underneath. The second screw is located slightly below the armrest. It is freely accessible. The third fastener is a plastic retaining nut at the lower end of the trim panel. Turn the nut a quarter turn. Remove all previously shown screws and release the retaining nut. The trim panel is now only secured to the door with clips. Starting from the bottom, release the clips one by one from the door. A suitable tool is linked in the description. At the rear end, there is an additional special clip. Slide the trim panel upward to release it. Now disconnect the interior door handle cable. And unplug the electrical connectors.
Rear door.
The rear door trim panel is removed almost the same way. The third screw is located behind a reflector. The special clip is not installed on the rear door.
Before reinstallation.
Simply pull out any clips remaining in the door and reinstall them into the trim panel. The clips should be in this position before installation. Some clips may need to be reset by sliding them back into place. The special clip can simply be pushed back in during reassembly, just like all the other clips. That's it. Good luck with your repair.